Hello friends, in this video we continue our review of the SUI project, a game in the cryptocurrency world. And the theme will be the SUI storage fund. You will learn what it is, what the mechanics of the foundation are, and what rewards a validator receive. So let's start. SUI is capable of storing large amounts of data, and for this it has an efficient economic mechanism to finance the data storage. We talked about this in one of the previous articles. Network storage poses a serious problems. Current validators that perform various operations with data may differ from future validators. If users only paid for computing power then when recording, then future users would have to subsidize former users for their storage and pay disproportionately high fees. If this is not taken into account, it will negatively affect SUI and users will have to pay a large tax. SUI has a escrow fund that distributes escrow fees from past transactions to future validators. And when users make certain transactions, they have to pay for computing and storage. The escrow fee is deposited into an escrow fund that will distribute future bidding rewards. In this way, it will ensure payment to future validators and positively affect the successful continuity of the network. Storage fund awards. The custody fund receives a proportional share of the reward from the total share depending on its size. Most of the rewards are paid to validators to cover storage, and a smaller portion invested in the fund. If the requirements for network storage are high, then validators are paid larger accounts to cover storage costs. If not high, vice versa. The storage fund has the following features. The custodial fund is funded by past transactions, that is, future validators will receive funds to cover storage fees for past users. A custodial fund only pays out income from its capital, meaning it will never pay out any funds from its capitalization, and validators receive funds only from the fund. In this way, the fund will never lose capitalization. The storage fund can give a discount on the storage fee if the user deletes the previous stored data in the chain. That is it not the transaction itself that is allocated, but rather the data. Therefore, it doesn't make sense to pay storage fees from deleted data, so this option is very appropriate. Mechanic of the storage fund. The size of the holding fund is fixed during each epoch, and its size varies depending on the profit received during the epoch. Profits are derived from custodial fees, income from reinvestment of fund income, and interest from custodial fee discounts. And simulation of the storage fund. The storage fund brings various incentives to their SUI economy. Users can delete it to receive storage fee discounts. In this way, they free up memory when it doesn't make sense for them to store such a large volume. Increased activity entails increased requirements to store and withdraw a large number of SUI coins, and thus creates deflationary pressure on the token and gives it an impetus for growth. So friends, we have considered the SUI storage fund. You learn what it is, what the rewards and incentives are, how it affects the SUI economy, and much more. If you have any questions about this video, be sure to ask them in the comments. See you soon, bye!